Hello, welcome to Arkansas State University. We are excited that you are exploring the higher education opportunities that we can offer you here at A-State. In this tutorial, we will show you how to find some important information on our admissions website that is tailored for you, our international students. To get to our international admissions page, go to www.astate.edu, hover or click on the Admissions tab on the home page and choose International. This will bring you to the International Admissions page. Or you can use the search bar in the top left by typing in International Admissions, and you can find the page that way as well. The main page gives you a lot of information about Arkansas State University and Jonesboro. On the left-hand side, we have several links that you can click to get additional information. You can select your student type to find out about your individual admission criteria. If you want to know the required documents you will need to submit for your application, you can click the Required Documents link, and it will bring you to our Document Tool page. If you fill in these drop-down menus, it will bring up all of the documents we require with a short explanation for each one. The Value of A-State link gives you information about the estimated cost of attendance and some scholarships that may be available to you. For further information, you can also check out our financial statement tutorial. Under the FAQ link, there is a list of common questions that we hear from our international student applicants. There's a lot of useful information here, so I highly encourage you to look over these questions and answers. If you cannot find the answer to your question on our website, please feel free to contact the International Admissions Office. On the lower left-hand side, you can see all of the different ways you can reach us. We will be happy to help. If you are ready to start your application process to become a part of the A-State PAC, you can click on the Apply Now tab to get started. As we have a special application for international students, please make sure you apply through the International Admissions page so you complete the correct application. We can't wait to welcome you to Arkansas State University.